The smart pad's contextually relevant and it understands where it is. So anything that's created inside the smart pad will have auto-initialized sources, and that means that things automatically connect up and link up and allows the system to self-organize itself. The next bit is Snips. Snips are essentially pre-made or preset templates for quick deployment. We also have a self-organizing cleaning system. SmartPad has the ability to understand where it is and what context it needs to give to its children. So if we have a new task, and I'm gonna just type away and add it straight away here, we'll see that this system understands where it was created, what it's actually specifically related to, and where it should be saved. So when we're talking about the SmartPad, we have the ability to automatically link things up no matter where or what it is. So if I have a new document, for example, this also has the ability, due to the SmartPad, to understand where it's supposed to be, what it's supposed to be related to. With Snips, you have the ability to create entire project structures within just moments. You can access the list from going down here, and we can select objectives, and it gives us a list of related content blocks on the right hand side. What we want to do is drag those items onto the SmartPad and watch it magically transform into a milestone with a preset task list and preset to-dos all set up structure. This is all set so that now you can go straight into your calendar and start planning. The intention here is to have quick generated tasks or lists for your execution or documents. You can even use them for transactions, documentation. The intention here is that the SmartPad will magically transform all of these items according to your preferences and how you've set them all up. We can create a new snip here, and it will prompt us for the setup. You select your tag, what list you want to allocate it to, and rename it to however it needs to be, email template. To give you an example of how that looks, you will see that we have items with Tana paste, and this is how the task structure is all laid out. This way it keeps it separate from your actual task list. You don't want to have these tasks randomly show up inside of your queue. So it's later in the day and you've been working on your project for a while, and you've now got a bit of a messy SmartPad. We have this little button in the corner next to the SmartPad which is clean and organize. What this is going to do is, providing everything set up into the system, it's going to organize everything into the right places for you. It has a couple of conditions though. I'm going to click the button and then I'll talk about the conditions. So now we see that everything's been moved to the right place. In this instance, I have the demo content as a vault which is set up, and a couple of fail safes happened. The SmartPad's not going to clean anything that's currently active because that means it's in your current focus and you want to keep it there. It's also not going to send anything that for whatever reason might have missing links. So it's a fail safe to make sure that nothing just gets sent into the abyss, only things that are correctly linked up, and only things that are ready to go into the vault or to the created date, wherever you preset stuff. They're the only things that are going to move. Anything else is going to stay where it is.